So this is it. We've reached the final match after uh, 8 quarterfinals, 4 semifinals. This is it. We started with 32 contestants. We now have 4. We've had some crazy matches, and this is what it all boils down to. It boils down to Akash Mehta, Kanan Gill, Rohan Joshi, and Neville Shah. First things first, thank you so much to everyone. When we started this tournament, um, we had a number in mind that this is the target of people, a target number of people who would be a part of this. And I'm so glad to say that the final number is almost 3 times the number that we had anticipated. So that is huge response, because quizzing is not, is generally usually considered to be a very niche or boring art form, but I think we've realized that this can be a lot of fun. That is the first thing I want to say. Massive thank you to everyone who joined. Obviously, massive thanks to all the participants who have gone out of their way to be a part of this. And I mean, without any insecurities that come with these things, कि मेरे को नहीं पता होगा, मेरे से नहीं निकलेगा and all that. Every single person that we invited for this tournament said yes. So yeah, that is second, and we are now with 4 people. So yeah, that was the opening speech before we get into the finals. I won't take more time. I'll call the 4 finalists. The first finalist, Akash Mehta. Give it up for Akash.
Hello.
Akash Mehta in that familiar frame. Next up is Kanan Gill. Kanan Gill, everyone.
Hello. How's it going?
Kanan is back. Can I call Neville Shah?
KV reference to semi-final.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Top
Yeah.
Raman Magsaysay Award.
Top Raman Magsaysay Award. I'm giving
That also he said that noodles during quarantine gets you bonus points. So
yes, I'll give you 0.5. I will give 0.5. I'm calling the final contestant Rohan Joshi.
Rohan.
what? Yeah.
What is up?
I also
Guys, this
I
is
also
the best night of lockdown in the history of lockdown.
Yeah, easily.
All 4 of you ready?
Yes, sir.
We'll just
Again, I will be first question, no? God.
Yes. First question to Akash Mehta.
let people dope in sport.
The Mughal city of Shah Jahanabad now forms part of which modern city? Okay, so the Mughal city, the old city of Shah Jahanabad, is now a part of a larger city. So it's a subset of a new modern city. Which city are we talking about?
You want the old
Delhi?
name or the city in which it becomes?
The new city, the current
Okay.
city, current name.
Delhi?
Delhi is correct. 10 points to Akash.
Should be Delhi.
Shahjahanabad essentially is the old Delhi area, and where
Okay.
Red Fort is, and Jama Masjid is, and Chandni Chowk is, and everything else. So Shahjahanabad was found by Shah Jahan. He came back from Agra, made a new capital, and yeah, the modern city is Delhi. 10 points to Akash. Question number 2, direct to Kanan. Kanan, in the world of cinema, how do we collectively know Leonard, Adolph, Julius, Milton, and Herbert?
It's obviously Band of Boys, which was very popular in India in the early 90s.
Point five to Kanan for
Which I'm sure Neville auditioned for but didn't get.
yeah.
Is this the nephews of Donald Duck?
No, these are not the nephews of
Oh.
Donald Duck or Bruce. I'm going to Neville now.
These are the original names of the Marx brothers.
That is correct. These are the Marx brothers.
Ah.
Neville gets
Groucho,
Groucho.
Gummo, Chico, and then I think somebody else, Harpo or something.
Harpo.
Apo.
And Karl.
fair enough. Marx brothers.
Everybody forgets Karl Marx, dude. The Karl
That's-
Marx. He was like
Karl Marx is the Neville of the Marx brothers.
Yeah, they kept forgetting.
Bro, my dadi is Karl Marx inspired right now. क्या बात कर रहे हो?
0.5 to Kanan for bringing Karl Marx and communist ideas to this capitalist event. I'm going to Rohan now. This was Neville got Marx brothers. This is for Rohan Joshi. In the world of Hindi letters, in the sense Hindi literature, how is one-time school teacher Dhanpat Rai Srivastava better known? Okay.
The world of Hindi letters, by which you mean like
Literature?
or like,
Not those Hindi letters. Sorry. Okay.
No, in the sense Hindi literature, not just Hindi, even Urdu literature. So let's call it Hindustani literature or Indian literature. The world of Indian literature. How is a one-time school teacher Dhanpat Rai Srivastav better known?
So it's not letters, right? It's a name.
Is
Yeah,
it-
it's a name.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it Premchand?
It is Premchand. Beautiful answer. 10 points to Rohan. Dhanpat Rai was his original name, and Premchand is the name.
Yeah, it's literally
Glad
the
he changed it.
only person I knew. I could think of.
Akash Mehta now with question number 4 of the quiz. This is Akash's direct. On which middleweight boxing champion's life was Martin Scorsese's 1980 film Raging Bull based? Raging Bull was inspired from whose life? That's the question.
It's funny, my mind went to Cassius Clay and then I realized नहीं वो तो मतलब रेस ही गलत है वो पूरा.
Yes.
So well, I just can't remember the name.
Pass.
Passing to Kanan.
I have no idea. Steve.
What?
John.
Mr. Boxing.
Passing to Neville.
Can I give you either? Can I? I don't know the whole name. I'm just trying to remember. Give me a second, please. Fuck.
You can't say like Shriman and all and expect to get points. Okay, that's not part of his name.
By that,
And like, I know he has a G in it.
Mister. I know. It's like an Italian type thing. Yeah, it's lum.
लम्हे, वो बातें,
No,
कोई ना जाने. Okay, sorry.
Lamont. I don't know. Something like that.
what's your final answer, Neville?
Yeah, Lamont.
You're thinking of a school in Calcutta.
Lamont, yeah.
Giving 0.5 to Kanan again for that Lamartinier.
This is how I'm gonna get points, guys. 0.5 at a
Come
time.
on, I know this. Yeah.
My turn?
Yeah, it's Rohan's turn.
Sorry.
It's Jake LaMotta.
Fuck yeah.
It's Jake LaMotta.
Yes,
Jake,
it is.
It is Jake LaMotta. 10 points to Rohan.
Lamont. What the fuck is Lamont? It's a French name.
अरे ये तो रॉबर्ट डिनीरो ही है ना?
Robert De Niro, and that is Martin Scorsese on your left.
Okay.
And this is Jake LaMotta. Okay, beautiful.
LaMotta is actually French
photo
for.
नहीं-
It's actually French for the
French for
fat man.
fat person.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm going to Akash now. Akash, this
Baap
is
re.
your direct.
Okay.
The 17th parallel, established in July 1954, marked the ceasefire line between which two Asian countries? So there is timeline. Timeline, that's a hint. Ceasefire, of course.
एक्चुअली एशिया में वो टाइम के आसपास बहुत सारे देश बटे थे तो थोड़ा मुश्किल है. वियतनाम. I think वियतनाम. पैरेलल है तो वियतनाम. 17th parallel is Vietnam.
The two countries are North and South Vietnam. And and then whatever, we all know what that led to. There was war and Vietnam War, a lot of movies later. They are one country now.
Dang,
Okay.
dang. Sorry.
Mehta gets 10 points. I'm going to Kanan now. Kanan, this is your direct. Which Russian Nobel laureate coined the term conditional reflex?
Oh, yeah, of course. Pavlov.
Pavlov, of course, is
Oh.
correct. Pavlov,
Doggy.
10 points to Kanan. This is his first 10 points in the quiz. Pavlov, as we all know, this is an example of Pavlov dog where you conditionally, you're basically conditioned to react to certain things. That is Pavlov. 10 points to Kanan. Now going to Neville. This is Neville's direct. Which group of fictional characters had the motto
Oh,
all for one and one for all?
It is. I don't know. Three Musketeers.
It is
Yeah.
Three
yeah,
Musketeers.
yeah.
Why
I
did
did.
you say that in despair?
Yeah, because I couldn't think. I don't know. I was thinking Famous Five or whatever. The only thing with All for One and One for All I could remember was Steve Martin doing All for One in the movie. That's all I had. And I was like, Steve Martin's a clown. It's not going to be that.
The famous five are only motivated by sandwiches and hot cocoa. They don't have any moral scruples. Their mom makes them food and वो खा के जाते हैं and they get some basic ass crimes that they solve.
Oh no, I can't. Shit.
Three
Thank God.
Musketeers. Neville gets it right. 10 points. I'm going to Rohan now. Rohan, what is the science or study of speech sounds called? Okay.
You clarify a little bit in the sense that.
Rohan, it's what you're thinking only.
No. of speech sounds.
Huh?
Like essentially how words sound like when
Yes.
you speak them.
Yes. Sounds of human speech, basically. What is the study of sounds of human speech?
Like the actual sounds and the
Yeah, the sounds that we make while we speak. Sounds of.
so like phonetics.
Yeah, it is
Yeah,
phonetic.
that's the answer.
Yeah.
No, I suddenly got clear
Oh,
between
were you answering or was that
What would it be?
clarification?
suddenly I panicked.
Yeah.
It's one of those, no, the phonetic sounds too easy an answer for
Yes.
this.
Yeah.
That is correct. Rohan gets 10 points, which means the next direct question is for Akash Mehta. Which river, the longest of the five that give Punjab its name, rises in Lake Langka So in Tibet? So basically, we know Punjab gets its name because of it's the land of five rivers. Out of those five
Five
rivers,
rivers. Yeah.
the one of them rises in Tibet. In fact, if a lot of people believe that it's one of the rivers that comes out of Mount Kailash and hence Tibet, and has a Tibetan name as well, and then it obviously reaches India, and it's the longest of the five. So which river am I talking
Technically, Tibet is not a
You said
country
it's
that we should
Hey.
it
acknowledge.
starts.
Hey.
Excuse me. Leave your politics in your little bedroom. वरना लोग कहीं भी जल सकते हैं.
Correct.
Jhelum.
Not Jhelum. I'm going to Kannan.
No.
Chenab.
Not Chenab. Going to Neville.
I'm just going to name it Satluj.
It is Satluj. 10
Ah,
points.
I thought we were doing the Punjab by the time I get it right. Because it can't be the Ganga. So then Rohan would do Beas and then we would
Yeah.
come back.
And by our powers, you would become Captain Punjab.
I really thought we'd go round the five.
Yeah, five rivers. Eliminate Akash and Kannan eliminated.
Wait, Satluj is really the longest?
Yeah, Satluj is the longest. That
Did
is
not
from-
know.
Shit.
all the
Did
way.
not know. Did not know.
That's because
I really thought.
it's the most. It's
I
one of the
I
longest.
thought Jhelum cause like it's in Kashmir and then I think it's in Punjab and it's in Pakistan and it's everywhere. So like length रहेगा उसका. But
Rohan, what were you saying? It's
look
Satluj
at this
is
river.
longest
Doesn't even
because-
look that long.
Never mind. Just never mind. Just
Next, direct to Rohan.
yes.
In Greek mythology, what was the food of the gods called? Okay, in Greek mythology,
Bacon.
Hmm.
0.5 to Neville for a blasphemous joke in some part of the world. Also, not just food, but
Making a
drink also.
distinction here between the food of the gods and drink of the gods, like
No, they are the same, like food and drinks of the god. Food and drinks of the world, of the god, there's no difference. Like Amrit, for example, is the closest in India that you can think of.
That's like the giveaway, no?
like
Not really.
nectar, right? Like
What's your final guess?
nectar.
Not nectar. I'm going to Akash.
Ambrosia.
It is ambrosia.
God damn, that was my second guess. Should
वो अमृत का etymology ही है ना वो ambrosia.
Yeah, ambrosia. Yeah, 10 points to.
Should have gone with my second guess.
Ambarasya.
0.5 to Neville, a Bollywood reference, which I love.
This is
Going
all
to
that's going to get me somewhere, guys.
Going to Kannan now. Kannan, this is your direct. In sporting terminology, what
Arey
are
yaar.
nibblies, drivers, and wedges types of?
Annoying fans.
Yes. Yes, I think so. I think so. One
In-
of them, two of them I'm sure of. These last two I'm confused. First two I'm confused. One, but it will happen.
It's
Kannan,
like-
in sporting terminology, what are mashies, nibblies, drivers, and wedges types of?
Different way your testicles can get stuck in your pants.
Karan, come on, yeah. You're an American Express card holder. How are you doing this? You should have brought in this.
Kannan.
No, you can be like in the train, like I got some mashies.
Karan, you're an Amex card holder.
Ah,
Got 1 point, Kannan. Good stuff.
okay. It's golf. Golf clubs.
Golf clubs is correct. Full 10
Oh,
points.
yeah.
Golf clubs, it is.
Nice
Golf
one.
clubs, these are different types.
Karan, let's go and do some reciprocals once this is over.
Yeah, man. Social distancing. I'll start at hole 18. You start at 1. Sorry.
Next, direct to Neville. Which actor
Oh.
Produced Shyam Benegal's Junoon, Aparna Sen's 36 Chaurangi Lane, and Girish Karnad's Utsav. Basically, an actor who also turned producer and produced some great movies. These are three of the examples of many great movies that he produced. Junoon, 36 Chaurangi Lane, Utsav, all different kinds of movies produced by this person. Which actor?
Fuck, that Girish Karnad is throwing me off, which means he's not Bengali. I don't know. I'm going to get some Bengali name. Victor Banerjee.
No, I'm going to Rohan now. Rohan.
Amitabh Bachchan?
Not Amitabh Bachchan. Going to Akash Mehta.
मैंने तो इसमें से सिर्फ 2 ही पिक्चर का नाम सुना.
Okay.
But I guess like who was the, I don't know, like Shashi Kapoor?
It is Shashi Kapoor. 10 points to
Hey,
Akash.
hey,
Whoa.
Nice one.
Rohan,
Come on.
what is the shrine of black stone in the central mosque? Sorry for my typo. At Mecca called. Okay. What is the shrine of black stone? So we all know Mecca. Mecca, there's a central mosque, and there is a shrine in the middle, and there's a black stone. This is considered to be the holiest place in the world according to Islam.
ये reverse से बहुत नाइंसाफी.
What is this?
बहुत नाइंसाफी.
It's
What
the
is that?
Kaaba.
It is the Kaaba. Kaaba is correct. Kaaba, 10 points to Rohan.
This,
But if you are in Kashmir, you are drinking the kava.
Nice.
Oh,
Okay. Next up, direct to
no.
Neville. Which imperial title was first assumed by Ivan the Terrible in 1547? Okay. Which
ये
imperial
तो आता है
title
रे.
was first assumed by
इसने
Ivan the
पिक्चर भी बनाया था इस पे.
He this is an imperial title we are talking about, which was first assumed by Ivan and then assumed by a lot of people over the course of a long time in history.
oh,
Which imperial title was first assumed by Ivan the Terrible and then by other people as well.
उसका नाम आइवन ही है.
Yeah.
the terrible.
Yeah, it's you given his whole hip hop name.
Like he was the first king जो बोला कि मेरे को terrible बोल सकता है. Tension नहीं.
0.5 to Kanan for that hip hop reference. Still waiting while we wait for Neville's direct answer. These are the last 4 questions maybe, and then 22 total number of questions. So 18, 19, 21, 22. Okay.
I can't. Ivan Kaiko Balls Koshki.
No. You have an answer?
No, I don't.
Okay. Passing to Kanan.
Is it Count?
Not Count Dracula. Akash.
Tsar. He was the first
Tsar.
Russian Tsar.
10 points to Akash Mehta.
Shit, man. Shit.
Tsar. He was the first Tsar, and then it continued till the Russian.
Ages of Empires के कारण ये सब सीखा हूँ मैं.
Tsar is correct. Akash gets 10 points. I'm going to Rohan now. Rohan, this is your direct. Which game was introduced by YMCA instructor James Naismith in 1891 to keep athletes indoors and in shape during winters?
The 100-meter sprint and pray.
Kanan?
The 100-meter sprint and pray.
You know, one of the things that people don't realize about the 2007 World Cup final.
Oh, man. I think you got it though. Yeah.
No, but I think I'm going to say it's basketball.
It's basketball. 10
Yeah.
points to Rohan. 10 points to Rohan. It is basketball. You can see
With a garbage can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And initially they even had a cage around the entire court.
Guys, this is the first promo for Remember the Titans. This is quite sad. Like,
Yeah.
This was the first dance.
Point
Netflix documentary.
Point Rohan for Remember the Titans. Great movie reference. I'm going to Neville now. Neville, this is your direct. Which
Of
Indian
course.
festival commemorates the recovery of a pitcher of nectar from the Asuras by Jayanta, who took the form of a rook and rested in 4 places before finally reaching Mount Kailash? I will just
Oh,
try and paraphrase this. So,
मैं तो समझा
uh,
ही नहीं है question.
after the entire Samudra Manthan thing, pitcher of nectar was, you know, went to the Asuras and Jayant finally got it back, and then he traveled to Mount Kailash and he rested at 4 places. So since he rested, it's said that some nectar came out of the pot that he was carrying. And there is a certain Indian festival that commemorates this story. There are, of course, like every Indian festival, there are many stories of anything, but this is one of the most prominent stories or backstory behind this Indian festival.
It's a famous festival, or
Yeah, it's something really famous.
picture of nectar
Hmm.
North Indian festival because Mount Kailash. Oh, Janmashtami.
Not
नहीं
Janmashtami.
रे.
Going to Kanan.
Holi.
Not Holi. I'm going to Akash.
Holy shit.
Shivratri.
Not Shivratri. I'm going to Rohan.
Is it the Kumbh Mela?
Beautiful answer. It is the
Oh,
Four
fuck.
places.
Damn.
4 places was the view.
4 places.
4 places. Yesterday, Nashik.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4
Ah,
places
ah.
for the group. So he took
Rocking.
What a great
Ekdam
answer.
Brilliant,
rocking.
brilliant.
Brilliant
Kumbh
answer.
literally also means like a pot, like a pot. And he rested at 4
Ah.
places: Nashik, Ujjain, Haridwar, and Prayagraj.
Yeah,
those-
and a lot of people don't know that Mele mein ye dil akela hai, actually.
I've given enough points for 90.
Come on! I'm not getting the questions right.
Kumbh Mela is correct.
Fuck, Rohan.
Kanan,
Great
small
answer.
point of order. That's not the Kumbh Mela. That's the Hasino Ka Mela. They're distinct festivals.
Right,
Let's not
but
talk about-
I didn't know we were going into technicalities.
Let's not talk about Bobby Deol's famous career exploits. Guys, what? Fuck, Rohan, what an
Beautiful
answer, dude.
Beautiful answer. Kumbh Mela is correct. Neville gets the direct question. Okay.
Of course, it's going to be a nightmare.
Flowering is the literal translation of which form of Punjabi embroidery? Okay. So from
Fulkari.
Yeah, Fulkari is correct. 1 point to Neville. Fulkari.
Fulka,
uh,
Fulkare.
Now we go to Kanan. Kanan, the last question of the quiz, the
Oh,
last
shit.
question of the tournament. The
Oh
last
shit.
all comes down to this. If I see the score,
Let's just keep on passing this, guys. Let's keep it going forever.
Let's keep it going. Let's get trapped in this moment.
okay. This from what I have not tallied the score, but I'm just giving from the overview. If Kanan gets this right and it
Kanan
doesn't
wins.
pass to Akash, then probably Rohan will win. But I might be jumping the gun. I don't know. But if Kanan passes and Akash gets it, then probably Akash will win. This is
So it's
just
all in my hands, huh?
all of Kanan's
All in
hands.
my hands.
I can see Kanan getting GPay right now on his phone.
All right, I'm waiting. friend.
This is like that shot in every sports movie, you know, when closes up to the
Yeah.
athlete, like this
Yeah,
is it.
dude.
90
All my life.
90 minute है तुम्हारे पास 90
Yeah,
minute.
the I am Kachra. He's like, just bowl. Just don't bowl a white
I
Kachra.
do
Come on.
Rohan. I think I might be jumping the gun, so don't judge me later. But this is just from my overall this thing. So it all boils down to Kanan Gill's knowledge in the field of
Don't
this.
say sports.
Okay. No, it's not sports. Which
thank
news
God.
agency was established by Israel Beer Josaphat in 1848 when he sent news of the Paris Revolution via pigeon post? Okay, I will just explain the question. There's a guy called Israel Beer Josaphat. That's part of his name, of course. And then in 1848, he had to send the news of Paris Revolution somewhere. So he used pigeon post and sent it. And this obviously is one of the earliest examples of sharing news or transmitting news. And then this gave rise to certain company, certain news agency, and which still exists, by the way. So which company's or origin are we talking about? Which company's origin story is this? This is the last question of the entire tournament. There are no bonus or no surprise tricks and all after this. This is the last question, which will decide the winner of this tournament. all into Kanan Gill's hand. Which news agency was established by Israel Beer Josephat?
Since I've already lost, I'm just going to change my background.
Republic TV. No, it's not. Okay.
Come on, Karan.
All right. So I'm still awaiting text messages from friends. Not coming. Okay, no problem. So the answer that you're looking for, I'm glad you asked this question. It's a very good question. It's one of my favorite questions in this quiz so far, actually. Great background, Neville. The term news agency is actually a misnomer.
Oh God, Kanan, just fucking say it. You know the answer.
You know the answer.
Do I know the answer though? Because it's actually a
You're
misconception.
sincere. He ended the pigeon post with "You're sincere."
Come on, Kanan, keep it real.
Oh man, I actually don't know the answer. So I'm gonna say news of the Paris Revolution, right? So from Paris.
Oh my God! Why are you behaving like those hosts of Indian Idol and all? Like guys, so
It's one of those where he wants to take a
आज
commercial break.
आज के winner है.
He wants to take a commercial
I'm
break.
just the Ghana. There might be like 0.5, 0.1 reference or different. I don't know if anyone is keeping track. So I don't know if you're the deciding factor. We'll see.
I actually don't know the answer.
Take
So
it one
I'm gonna say the Paris Review.
The Paris Review
Yeah.
passes to Akash Mehta.
Can I slumdog this?
Up to you.
Okay, it will be a pointless slumdog if the answer is wrong. But for a very short time in my life, I used to get all my news from only one website until the app became too cumbersome to use, and it was called Reuters.
Reuters.
I
Yes.
think that is the answer.
Writers is correct.
Woo!
Mehta gets 10 points. This is the scorecard, and I will now count it. Okay. Akash has 60 plus 1, which means Akash is at 61. Akash gets 61.
Thank you.
Kanan, who did really badly, Kanan has 20.
Yes, I did. Hey,
Kanan
man.
has 20, and then he got out of 0.5 and whatever. Kanan has 20, and then he got 2.5, 3.5, and 4. Okay, so Kanan has 24. Neville is at 42.5. Okay, and then it all boils down to how much Rohan got to know. Like so far, Akash has 61. So whether it's more than 61 or less than.
Rohan, you've done the math. Just stop giving us.
Actually.
So Rohan got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 60, and then 1 and 0.5. So Rohan gets 61.5. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my God, dude.
What is it finally?
In case anyone thinks there's a doubt there in
Rohan wins by
Rohan wins
0.5.
by half a point.
Once again, ultimate jeet is because of jokes. Guys, never give up on your dreams.
Oh my
Despite
God.
not getting points for 2007 World Cup or Bob Woolmer. Oh my God!
Can I just say, this right here, right now, is the most excitement that has ever been generated by the 2007 Cricket World Cup.
Oh God, Rohan, I can't believe it. Yes, well done.
So thank you so much, Kanan. Thank you so much, Neville. And Akash, you've been a rock star throughout this quiz.
I hope I get to come for the offline ones now whenever they happen.
Yes, I think you cursed our offline quizzes. And of course, Rohan Joshi is the champion of the tournament.
Woo!
Thank you so much, everyone, who joined us.